Hello everyone and welcome back to Manifested Fitness on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, and podcast. All the links are down below. My paid coaching email is down below and all time tips are down below. And today we're going to be talking about thought transmission. Thought transmission is thinking thoughts for or about another person and having those thoughts transmit to them energetically, to which they will respond accordingly in your reality to the thoughts that you have assigned to them. I came up with that definition myself. I'm pretty impressed. Thought transmission bases itself off Everyone Is You Pushed Out, which I have a video on. They're not the same concept, but they definitely overlap. You are in control of your reality. Nobody has free will, and everyone has to conform to the assumptions that you have of them. But thought transmission is more personal because you are controlling the actual thoughts and actions that people have and take in your reality. With Everyone Is You Pushed Out, it's more general. So with Everyone Is You Pushed Out, if you assume that somebody's really rude to you, like you have a rude parent, they may insult you or, not give you food or something or steal money from you or something. But you didn't assume that they would do that specific thing. Like you didn't assume that they would insult you. You just have the assumption that they're rude. So they show up kind of freely in that general area of rudeness, but you don't decide the specific actions or thoughts or things they say to you or do to you. So that's why I'll see a lot of people be like, let's say their SP blocks them or cheats on them or something, and they'll be like, well, I never ever had the assumption that they would cheat on me. I never had the assumption that they would block me. Yes, but you may have had an assumption that was like, they're sneaky, they hide stuff from me, or I feel like they're hiding something from me, or I feel like they hate me, and those actions reflect that general assumption. Now with thought transmission, you are deciding the exact thoughts, behaviors, actions that a person is having in your reality. We transmit our thoughts to other people all the time. A common example is when you're sitting next to somebody or you're in the same vicinity as somebody, and unprovoked you start singing a random song, a random part of a song, and somebody next to you sings the exact same song, the exact same part of the song at the exact same time as you do, without any communication prior to that okay, this is what we're gonna do. Or when somebody calls you when you thought of them that week or that day, you know what I mean? Or if you're driving and you see somebody on the lane next to you put on their turn signal because they want to get in front of you, and you're like, don't cut me off, don't cut me off, don't do it, I want to speed up, and then they don't, and you allow yourself to speed up. Things like that, little transmissions that you send to somebody that controls the specific actions that they do. We are all connected. Or more so, you are connected to everyone because people can't make you do something in your reality. And because of that, we are able to pick up on each other's dominant beliefs and assumptions. Now, you never have to use thought transmission. You can always just say, be general. So if you're applying for a job, it's okay to just say, I was hired. They accepted my application. I was hired. I start work on Monday. You don't even have to go into personal details. But thought transmission, instead of just saying, oh, I was hired for this job, it'd be more like, the manager is looking at my application. The manager is calling me. The manager is telling me that I'm the best that they've ever had. That is a specific thought, action, assumption, dominant belief that you want another person to have. I personally like thought transmission because I think it helps with self-concept. Because it kind of gives you this, of course they would, why wouldn't they? They think that I'm the best because I am, SP, okay, SP thinks I'm the best because I am. SP is thinking I'm the best. SP cannot stop thinking about how amazing I am. SP misses our time together instead of just me and my SP are back together. I also do this when I feel overwhelmed with negative emotions. So if I'm manifesting for a specific person, but I feel doubtful and I feel like I'm the one that's obsessing over them and I feel like I'm the one that's missing them, I'll give the thought to them. I'll be like, nope, this is really how they feel. This is me energetically getting the signals of how they feel. Dang, they feel this obsessed with me. Okay, you're scared that you won't get approved for a house or an apartment complex or whatever. No, they're scared that I won't accept their offer. They want me because I'm the perfect tenant. They want me because I'm the perfect homeowner. They are scared that I'm not going to approve their approval of me. So you see, it kind of flips on them, and you give them your limiting beliefs, doubts, negative thoughts, obsessions, whatever. People do this a lot with inanimate objects like money. People be like, money's obsessed with me. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Money can't stop showing up for me. Now, while money obviously doesn't have legs and can't walk or run to you or jump in your bank account, transmission is essentially attraction. So you're attracting to you because you get to decide how specific things show up and the ways that they show up. So if you've never tried thought transmission before, I definitely recommend it. I mean, we do it all the time, you know, we do it all the time, but consciously you could try it. It's really fun. And with that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. I love you so, so, so much.